We're picking up the Harvey again.
I'm Rick, and this
Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Down for your sanity.
this is the shack.
Everybody, welcome. Yes, we are heading back to Montclair. We're going to pick up the Harvey again, one more time. If you've been following me, you know when I unboxed my Harvey, starting the setup process, I ran into an issue. There was something wrong with the shaft, with the gearing. Something was just wrong. As long as it was in 90 or dead square, it was fine, but there was still little areas as you would crank it that you could feel maybe it's just a little tight. But as soon as you took it off square, went to 15, 30 degrees, all of a sudden it was metal on metal grinding. It was harder and stiff. Something was definitely wrong. Finally got a decision from Harvey Friday, a little bit too late. I wish I could have had this done Thursday. It is what it is. Sunday, I took my time, inch by inch, as you see here, got it to the door, started it up the ramp, got it into the trailer, covered it, wrapped it, tied it, secured it. It's ready to go. So let's hop in the truck and we're going to head back down to Montclair to the Harvey warehouse. Don't like traffic. Oh, I'm stuck. This sucks. Don't like trying to get down to where I gotta go when I'm excited to change this out, get me my new table saw, and I got the stupid traffic. Anyway. There, getting all the finalized stuff. They already got the older one off, so I'll show you guys when it gets here. We'll go through real quick, make sure it's fine. I've already checked it. It works fantastic. So I'll let you guys see this real quick. Whoops. Unfortunately, they did change out the power switch is different on this one, but we'll deal with it, I guess. But you see, it's about 15. Look at this. Absolutely nice. Raise that up and put that back underneath there. Is that high enough? Or? And if you can just lower it back down for a second. There. Lower it back down now.
I'm gonna get the blade and the manual out of the way. There we go.
Ready?
Yep.
Smooth as silk. That's nice. Keep going, or?
Just a hair more. Cool.
Lock that down.
So it doesn't wobble.
Lock that down. And that's our new one. We got her taken care of. That is sweet. Okay, you saw it. Everything worked very smoothly. I've had a wonderful talk with Hong, Ali, and Samantha were there. I should have took pictures. I didn't think about it. I should have took pictures so you had a visual of people you may be talking to when you call here. This one is the way it should be. Even Hong is blown away. They cannot wait to get into that and find out what the issue is. They checked a bunch of them there. Everything was fine. As you saw this one, it was literally butter up and down. So smooth. And that's the way it should be. Even that angle, I tried the different angles, butter smooth. So don't think you're making a mistake buying a Harvey, because you're not. They are a fantastic table saw. Cool. You see it back there? All right. So much for this. We'll get back more when we get home, or unless something happens, I may film it on the way down. Well, we made it home. Going down this beautiful, dirty, dusty dirt road. Being sarcastic. When I get home, I gotta take a little break. Then I will show you getting this thing unloaded, sitting in there. We're gonna go through it one more time. Fine tooth comb I did there, but just in case, I am so happy I got this other table saw. I cannot say enough how smooth it is. Unbelievable. That's what I love about it. It's just butter, silk smooth. If you had any worries about it, don't. This, if anything, was a test on customer service. I got no complaints with them. The only thing I question, or if I had a complaint, was the fact I think I should have known something Wednesday. As soon as they saw the video, they should have contacted me, said, you know what, yeah, there's something wrong, bring it back. I should have had this Thursday instead of waiting on them sending the video to the text, letting them look at it. I don't know if they heard anything back yet, but they made a decision there at the warehouse Friday, when I got the phone call Friday early afternoon, like 10:40, 11 o'clock, somewhere around there, that go ahead and come down and they'll replace it, but I wasn't going to do it that late. Hindsight though, traffic kind of sucked going down there, so anyway, it is what it is. I can't wait to get this in, get it set up. Hopefully by Wednesday we'll be completely up and running and starting project. So I'm almost home. I'm gonna take a quick break, give me something to eat, and we're gonna head out to the shop, get this thing unloaded, and start the assembly process. All right, we got this thing setting down. Couple of quick notes. If you get this now, they have updated to this switch. He told me that the other one, the magnetic switch or something inside, they were having issues with it, and they thought best to swap it out for a better model, more heavier duty, for safety reasons. So I won't have the paddle no more. I don't like this one, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I don't like that either. But we'll see. Also, because they've changed this no longer mounts to the rails that I have, so I have to drill and tap new holes. Otherwise, I would have had to get these rails down to them, swap them out for the new starter, for the new power switch, because the holes are different. Not a big deal, because I am going to mount it over there. But my mistake, I completely forgot my knob over here. I left on the other one, so I had to call Samantha, ask them to ship that handle to me. I wasn't even thinking. But I want to show you again. I'm going to loosen these up, so I'm going to have to do it by hand. Let me take the packaging out. So I'm going to raise this up. Look how smooth that is. Look how smooth that is. Nothing. That's the way it's supposed to be. Take that stuff out. You know what? I think, nope. I take that back. I think they left this stuff in here. Oh man, they did. I think they did. Yeah. I think that yep, never mind. The knob is in here. They actually forgot to take out the throat plate, push stick, and the tools. So I'm gonna call them, see if they want me to ship that to them. But yeah, I'm gonna have to call them back real quick and let them know I do have the handle. I did not know they left that inside there. Now, we'll go on the demonstration. We are at 0, and you can see, and I'll get my mic over here so you can listen. Absolutely nothing. Look at that. See? Other one would not do that at all. So this is unloosed. Now I'm going to take this. Remember the other one, when I got about right here, it would click, click, click. Look at that. That is fantastic. Can we do the happy dance now? Okay, now I'm at 15 degrees. Now listen. Nothing. Down. Okay. Yeah. Go to 30 degrees. Remember last time 30 degrees, it wouldn't even move. Oh yeah. All the way up. See? That is perfection. Bring it back to 0. It's close enough till I get it dead squared. That is a win-win. I'm gonna get this off the pallet. That's it for now. The Harvey is back. We are good to go. It is phenomenal, fantastic. I am beyond words. I am so excited and happy. So let's finish this video up real quick. I want to reiterate, I am not bagging on Harvey, okay? If anything, this was a test for customer service, which was phenomenal. I don't have any complaints with Samantha, with Ali, with Mikey, with Hung, none of them. They were all phenomenal, very pleasant, maybe over-apologetic, but it wasn't their fault. And I told them it's not your fault. It was something during the manufacturing process. You have no control over that. You get the end product, and unfortunately, you got to deal with things like this that happen. But it wasn't their fault. I would give it maybe a quarter negative. Once they saw the video, that should have been automatic. Yeah, we just need to swap this out, we'll figure it out. Hong said, yeah, after they viewed it and they were just talking, they didn't hear nothing from corporate, I guess, or whatever. They decided we're going to swap it out. It's just the easiest thing to do for now. And that way they have it there on site. Hung says he cannot wait to tear into it. And make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, because when we do find out, I want to let you guys know, because I am curious too. I told him if it wasn't for the fact I kind of want to get home, I told him, let's tear this thing apart right now and figure it out. Let's just assemble it and see if we can figure it out now. That's how interested I am, because I would like to know, because he went through 4 or 5 of them there just to make sure they didn't have an issue. All of them were like this, beautiful, fine, glide like silk. I just happened to get that lottery ticket, basically. And I told him, I was so fortunate to get the one flaw. I wish I could do the same in the lottery. I could be set for life right now. I'm not that lucky. I'm just this lucky. Not bagging on Harvey at all. If you have any doubts about Harvey, please put those aside. I have this, you saw how smooth this is. One out of the whole lot, that's fine. That's part of business. You're going to have a bad something in the lot somewhere. Something is going to go wrong because you can't be 100% perfect all the time. Laguna can't, Grizzly can't, Powermatic can't. None of them can. They all have ones that go out. The thing that sets other places apart is the customer service. And for now, I have no quarrels with customer service. I just wish they would have acted faster, but of course they have guidelines and things they have to follow regardless of what corporate says. They may think, oh, we just got to swap this out, but corporate has to give them that, I guess, final decision. They went ahead and made that decision regardless because they felt it was in the best interest just to swap it out now and figure it out later versus keeping me dead in the water. So I truly, truly appreciate that, and I'm very thankful. Thank you again to all of you at Harvey. I am appreciative, I am happy, I am ecstatic. I don't know what else to say. I could ramble on another 10 minutes just saying yay, 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 because you saw how this works. It is phenomenal. I got to get it off the pallet, clean this all off again, and then I'll be back with another video. We'll get this assembled the best we can, and that's going to be it. A lot of things happening, a lot of things going to happen, a lot of videos coming out. Make sure you're subscribing to the bell. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back for your sanity. I'm on a roll. I'm running 100 miles an hour, waiting to hit the ground because now we have nothing to stop us. Thanks again for watching. We will see you next video.